So guys, in Ontario, there's a big problem in real estate about LTB delays. If you see online for having a hearing to eviction and for other proceedings or penalties, whatever you say, I mean, it's getting bad and getting out of control. For example, if you have got a bad tenant who stops paying rent, then like on an average, I see it is taking 6 to 8 months minimum for like getting that tenant out and get the possession of your property. This is really not good. On the other hand, there are bad landlords also, those who harass their tenants, and even tenants are not getting proper uh, justice because of these delays. So this is something that needs to be urgently looked upon, and why it is so bad for housing market. That is what I'm gonna discuss. See, Canada is in deep housing crisis, no doubt. We have this crisis, and it is getting worse every day because the difference between the number of people population growth, or you can say the number of people coming in, I mean the difference between the houses we need and houses we have, that difference, that gap is increasing. At this time, if somebody gets harassed by bad tenants and lose lot of money and then frustration and other things, in which direction it's gonna go? I saw some like articles, I saw some videos where some of the landlords say, I'm done, especially small landlords who have like a basement or a second unit or a second investment property. If they get screwed up like this, where they end up getting thousands of dollars in loss, what are they gonna do? They will like stop becoming landlord. They will like say, no, I don't need it anymore. Then who's gonna be impacted? Honest people. Now let's say there's an honest tenant, okay, an honest family, those who are genuine tenant, they will have trouble going forward in getting a house. They will be subjected to tremendous verification, okay, that may lead to some inconvenience. And not only that, because of like people like small landlords coming out of the housing market, the crisis is gonna deepen. That means the number of options available is gonna be reduced. So the very first thing, the cost is gonna go up, right? And that will be for all the tenants, including good tenants too. For everyone, the cost is gonna go up. Second, there'll be too much competition, then there'll be so much of shortage, and this is not gonna help anyone. Definitely not gonna help anyone because of these things, like people are gonna increase the rents. Definitely, they may ask for higher deposits. They may ask for post-dated checks. Like such things may happen, and it is happening. I should not say may happen. It is happening already, and this is deepening the housing crisis even more. So this is definitely not good for the long term. So I assume there must be something that needs to be done about this problem. Okay, yeah, that's what I say. That something has to be done for this, but it's not in like our hand. High authorities need to take this matter up. So yeah, this is a big problem, no doubt. And even for tenants, like some tenants are getting harassed. Like I saw one Red FM video where a tenant said that his landlord has turned off vital supply for last 10 days, and even he's not listening to bylaw officers. Even police is not intervening now. If he goes to LTB board, it's gonna take, you can imagine how long. So that's really like something, that system needs to be changed here. I believe our honorable member of parliament, honorable government representatives do something here. This is a problem that needs to be fixed right now before it's too late. Already it is going towards late. This will trigger a lot of problems, I would say. Like if I should not use those sentences, but and I will not, but it's not going into good direction. That's what I will say. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.